Welcome. In this video, we're looking at the supporting documents for I-130 spouse filing. This is a self-filing guide, meaning that you would utilize this material in the absence of using an attorney. You are required to submit original forms and affidavits, so no copies of your forms or affidavits. Only copies of supporting documents must be submitted, so you don't want to send your original documents for supporting documents. The USCIS will not return those documents to you, so you want to send copies of those documents. Passport style photos are required to be a part of your filing, so that would be two identical passport style photos, two each for the petitioner as well as two for the beneficiary. Completed form I-130. You're going to be sending in your original completed form I-130. Remember to sign and date your form. You're also required to send in completed form I-130A. The beneficiary should sign and date this form. Filing fee. Be sure to check the correct filing fee and to check the correct payee name to be included in your documents. Birth certificate. The petitioner who is a U.S. citizen should submit a copy of his or her birth certificate. Birth certificates for children born to both petitioner and beneficiary together may also be submitted as supporting documents. Permanent residence. If you, the petitioner, are a permanent resident, then you would be required to send a copy of your permanent resident card. So that would be a copy of the front and back to be submitted. Documents showing a common residence. Both petitioner and beneficiary names must be included in these documents, so you may opt to send a copy of a lease or utility bills, bank statements. If you have any of these documents available, it would be wise to submit them in your package. If you don't have all of them, you can send one or however many you may have, but it shows that you and the petitioner, both the petitioner and beneficiary, have a common residence. Document or affidavit from third parties. Letters from persons who can confirm that both petitioner and beneficiary have a genuine married relationship is required. This may be obtained from family members or friends, and the original of these must be submitted. Marriage certificate, you want to send in a copy of marriage certificate, of course, with the petitioner and beneficiary. Document showing termination of marriage of previous spouse. So this is applicable only if the petitioner or beneficiary was previously married. That pretty much wraps up all the supporting documents to be submitted with your Form I-130. Thank you for watching.